stand here on behalf of my mamangad, demangad, my grandmothers and grandfathers, and welcome you to the land of the Whadjuk people, of the first people of this country that we stand, eat and drink on tonight.
Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and absolutely thank you for your support to WA Defence Industry, and thank you everybody for joining us. I'd also like to acknowledge the ongoing service and sacrifice of our ADF servicewomen and servicemen.
Thank you for making this such a wonderful event with your attendance and your passion for industry. I'm here to present the Aiden Young Achiever Award.
This is about a young achiever. It recognises that all of your efforts, all of our collective efforts actually matter. The winner for 2022 is Jack Morris.
Just a quick thanks, obviously. Captain Angela Bonds for developing the program, seeing through it from start to finish. Thanks to Tay for running such an excellent program as well. Thanks to program, and of course, last but not least, BAE Systems.
It's interesting to note that Jack is a product of the Defence Industry Pathways program.
The Defence Industry Pathways program came from industry with the need to ensure an ongoing and sustainable workforce for the future.
We're going to start with the SME Award, and that is an award for excellence in the defence industry.
The Minister's Award for Excellence in Defence Industry 2022 goes to Fran Marine.
To my team, Team Fran Marine, thank you for your commitment, dedication. I let this award be a testament to demonstrate that we can and will make a difference.
Working Spirit offers employment opportunities for Australian military veterans and is West Australia's local veteran-focused recruitment agency.
In 11 days' time, Working Spirit will celebrate 5 years of supporting veterans. We've had over 500 veterans attend our events, and we have placed over 200.
The Minister's Award for Individual Contribution to the Defence Industry. This award recognises an individual for their embodiment of the defence values within their roles within the defence industry community over a number of years.
The Minister's Award for Services to Defence Industry 2022 goes to Greg Whitehouse.
There's nothing more important than being supported while you support others, and that's what makes a real big difference to me and a real big difference to everyone here in the room.
You and your teams, large and small, are the workforce behind the Defence Force.
Absolute pleasure to be here and witness this, the growth in this extraordinary event.
So on behalf of the Henderson Alliance and Aiden WA, I'd like to thank you all again for supporting this event. A lot of the businesses in this room regularly work together as a team. I think we're the envy of a lot of the other states within Australia.
The energy and the environment of this night, it represents how much support there is in the defence industry.
It's just so nice for everyone to get together, celebrate what's been a really hard year.
It's been wonderful to actually be here and see all of the amazing, hard-working individuals and companies.
To see the depth of knowledge and experience in the state was amazing.
We share the same passion. We have the same vision, so why don't we all walk together in the same direction?